Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the compass. A compass is a simple instrument that gives us directions. There are four main directions on a compass. They are called the primary directions, and they are north, south, east and west. And the angles between the adjacent primary directions, 90 degrees. In addition, there are four more directions that are situated midway between the primary directions. So between north and east we have northeast, between south and east we have southeast, between south and west we have southwest, and between north and west we have northwest. So those angles there, for example this angle here is 45 degrees, and that's 45 degrees because these ones here are exactly halfway between the primary directions. One rotation around the compass is equal to 360 degrees. So for example, if you start at north and go all the way around, for one rotation, that's 360 degrees, which is like one circle. The angle between two adjacent primary directions is 90 degrees. So for example, between north and west, 90 degrees, west and south, 90 degrees, etc. Let's have a look at some common questions that we could be asked. What is the smaller angle between north and west? There is north and there is west. Now the smaller angles means this one, because you've also got the larger angle all the way around here. But because I'm asking specifically for the smaller angle, the answer is 90 degrees. What is the larger angle between north and east? There's north and east. That is the smaller angle, so the larger angle is all the way around here. So you can see that the larger angle is 90 plus another 90 plus another 90. And that's why the answer is 270 degrees. What is the smaller angle between north and southeast? Now north is here and southeast is there. So basically if we're looking at the smaller angle, we're looking at that angle there. So the answer I've given will be 90 degrees plus 45, because from there to there is 90 and from there to there is 45, so that gives you 135 degrees. So this video has given us a very basic introduction into the compass, and this is an instrument that's used for finding directions. We've seen that there are four main directions called the primary directions, and we've also seen that there are four other directions which are midway between the primary directions.